It is very important for us to measure our performance on any social platforms that we are on. Hence, we will also take you across the analytics section of Twitter, which will help you measure your performance on Twitter. To check the analytics on Twitter, you need to log in to a different website which is known as analytics.twitter.com. Once you go on the website, you do a normal login with Twitter ID and password, and then you get access to the analytics of your account on Twitter. This account can be your personal account or your brand account. When you enter the Twitter Analytics account, after logging in, you will see the overview, which will give you a general performance report about the tweets, the visits that people have done on your profile, about your followers, mentions and impressions. This entire information is available for a period of 28 days. It will show you the increase or decrease in the number of tweets that have happened through your account, the impressions or the reach that it has created with the tweets, the amount of profile visits that have happened on your page, and the percentage of its increase or decrease, the number of mentions received on your account, and the growth in your followers. As you scroll down, you will then see the tweet highlights section, which will display the performance of your tweets and also show which tweets have performed better. The top tweet that you see on the left will be the tweet that has interacted or reached the maximum people and have performed the best. In the middle section that you see, it will also show you what kind of a media used by you has been among the top performed tweets and what is the kind of impressions that it has created. If you advertise on Twitter, you also get to know some other details which will then be available to you once you click on the Get Started section and start running your ads.